Hello students, I am Asha Shahu and you are watching channel Exam Track. In this video I am going to explain reproduction in human. Okay, so let us start. We are going to start from male reproductive system. Okay, male reproductive system. This is a diagram of male reproductive system. Okay, what are the important organs involved in a male reproductive system that constitute to form male reproductive system? Okay. So what are that important organs? First, a pair of testes. This is a main important male organ. Why? Because it produces a sperm, okay, and germ cells, okay. That is very important. This is the, you can say, necessary organ of male reproductive system. And except this, remaining others, these are accessory. That means these are the supporting organs, okay, for the testis to perform the function of testis, okay. So remaining other what are? A pair of epididymes, next a pair of vas-deferentia, fourth a pair of seminal vesicles, fifth a pair of cowpers gland, sixth prostate gland, and seven penis, one penis, okay. So I will explain all of this with the help of diagram, okay. Let us see testis, okay. These are a pair form, okay, in male, okay. So where it is located? First of all, main important thing, okay. Testis is a primary sex organ for male, okay. It is located outside the body, okay, not inside the body. Why? Because one reason is, important reason is for that testis secretes sperm, and that require very less temperature than our body temperature, approx 1 to 3 degrees Celsius temperature, okay. So that's why it lies outside the body, and it is covered inside a bag like a structure, inside a pouch that is known as scrotum. The scrotum acts as a thermoregulated organ because as it provides temperature less than the body temperature, and that is important for the sperm formation, spermatogenesis, that is, okay. So now all of you see in the diagram, it is given here. It is the exact location of testis is this one, okay. It lies outside the body, okay. It is a primary sex organ, and it secretes also one important male sex hormone. It is known as testosterone. Testosterone, this is very important hormone secreted from the testis, okay. I think no confusion for you, okay. Now all of you come to epididymes. Okay, second important organ is what? Epididymis. Where it is located, you can see it is mentioned in the diagram. It is a long tubular structure, coil structure. You can see it is a epididymis. Okay, what is the use of epididymis? What is the function of epididymis? Here sperm production occur. It stores and nourishes the sperm. Okay, what is the function of epididymis? It stores and nourishes the sperm. You can see clearly it is given here, okay, in the diagram. It is the epididymis for sperm formation from the testis, and after that there is for temporary storage and nourishment is done by this epididymis. Now vas-deferentia, okay, this is also commonly known as sperm duct, okay. Here where it is located in diagram, all of you see where it is located here. It is a tubular structure, okay. After epididymis, where sperm has stored, after that it is secreted in this tubular structure, okay, vas-deferentia, okay. So it is what they receives duct from seminal vesicle, okay. It is the seminal vesicle, this one, okay. It receives duct from seminal vesicle to form ejaculatory duct. Here they commonly join to form a ejaculatory duct, okay, and that duct joined to the urethra, where it is here, urethra. It joined to the urethra and to form what? Urinogenital duct. So that's why it is very important question. Sometime it is given, okay. Why urethra is known as urinogenital duct? Because it is a common pathway for the urine as well as sperm. So that's why it is a urinogenital duct, okay. This duct receives secretion of prostate and cowpers gland and then enters the penis, okay. Now you can see in the diagram, it receives the secretion of prostate gland and the cowpers as well, and then it enters into the penis for the going outside, okay, and from the tip, okay. So it is the main thing here, okay. Now fourth is seminal vesicle. There it is located, seminal vesicle, you can see here, seminal vesicle. These are pair form, okay, pair form having 2 number. It produces 60 to 70% of semen plasma, okay. And what is the composition of actually this one? It contains fructose, protein and other chemicals, okay, and it is viscous and alkaline in nature. It means pH more than 7, okay. Next, prostate gland. It is single, okay, it is 1 in number, it is single, and the diagram it is given here, all of you can see, okay. It is present in the area, okay, where is the union of urogenital duct and ejaculatory duct, okay. So it is a common area for the urogenital duct as well as ejaculatory duct, okay, and it produces 20 to 30% of semen plasma, okay, it contributes, okay. And secretion are thick, milky white, okay, and alkaline in nature, secretion, okay, and it provides motility to sperm, okay. So very important thing, motility means it provide motion, okay, it provide movement to the sperm so that sperm can move, okay. Now next is cowpers gland, okay, it is pair, all of you see cowpers gland, it is pair form, okay, but here it is a half view, so it is single, it is given here, okay. So it is a pair form and it is rich in mucus. Its secretion is actually rich in mucus, thick, viscous, okay, and it's alkaline in nature, also alkaline in nature. Now next, penis. It is a male erectile copulatory organ, okay. It is given in the diagram, okay, this level. Now the important thing is that we have to know some introduction about sperms, okay. It is a male gamete, it is known as male gamete. These are actually teeny dark, very fine little, okay, structures, okay, and it consists of 3 parts. Basically it is made of 3 parts: head, middle piece and tail, okay. So head, it contains genetic material, head of a sperm, it contains actually genetic material, it is nucleus, okay, and it is actually it is a conical structure due to presence of acrosomes, and this acrosome is very important, okay. Why? Because it plays a significant role in penetration of egg, okay. Acrosome help in the penetration of egg. Next one, middle piece, okay, it provides energy for what? Motility of a sperm, okay. How it can provide energy? Because presence of mitochondria is there in the middle piece, so that's why it provide motility to a sperm, provide energy for the movement of the sperm, okay. And the last is long tail, it helps the sperm to move towards the female gamete or egg, okay. It provide the movement to reach the destination. So this is all about the male reproductive system, and one important thing is that one ejaculation it results, okay, 2 to 4 ml semen that contains 300 to 400 million sperms, okay. Now here it has finished. I think all of you are understanding, okay. And if any queries and doubts, so please send in a comment box. I will solve all the questions, okay. And till then, keep watching. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.